I finally upgraded my 3D printer. In 2019, I got into the hobby by buying an Anycubic Mega S, and now I'm upgrading to an Anycubic Kobra 2 Pro 3D printer. It's only slightly larger, but it has the features I was looking for, which was a self-leveling bed, and it's a little bit faster. So, let's get into it. Let's crack this baby open and see what we got in the box. Let's crack this baby open. This was $400. I paid a net $100 after selling my Anycubic Mega S to my friend. So that was a good deal in my mind. Look at that. The packing looks fantastic. Foam feels nice and sturdy. Now, taking out the first layer here, we can see we have the bed. When I unboxed the Anycubic Mega S, the instructions were very clear on how to set it up. I'm hoping for the same thing again. So this is a nice bed. I'm not sure if this is meant to bend or if this is like one of those like flex pads, but we're just gonna put it off to the side here. Wait for the instructions. I did look up reviews when I was choosing what printer, because I was choosing between the Elegoo Neptune 4 and this printer, but the reason I chose this printer was, one, I had experience with Anycubic, and two, it used the rail mount system, which I just heard was better than the like gear wheels that the Neptune 4 was using, because the Neptune 4 was showing a lot of people complaining about having to replace them so quickly. So that was the deciding factor for me on this. Now, we got our quick start guide, and we have our manual. And as we look into here, it has our setup. The setup looks nice and straightforward, just like how the Anycubic Mega S was. The Anycubic Mega S only took about 5 minutes to set up. It was basically just mount the frame to the bed and call it a day. So I was happy about that. And it looks like this is going to be about the same. Got a baggie full of extra parts and gears. Got a power cable over here. I believe this is a spool roll holder, if I'm not mistaken. Now we got the frame. As we try and take it out, always trying to be very careful. Oh, this is heavy. This has a good weight to it. I'm happy about that. When you spend $400 on a printer, you don't want it to feel cheap. Okay, this is some type of arm. We got the printing head. Printing head? Eh, it looks like something like that. I'm sure the instructions will tell us. Oh, we have the LCD screen. We have the actual rest of the unit. It's a big girthy girl, but I'm happy about that. So bed. Oh, it's a magnetic bed. Oh, so this is one of those like those flip up beds. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I'm happy about that. I've been wanting to buy one of these for a while anyway. There we go. Look at that. She's all set up. So then we just gotta go through the instructions and put this baby together. This is actually more work than the old Anycubic Mega S to put together for sure, but I don't think it should be that bad, especially when we got the instructions right here. So yeah, there's the unboxing of the Anycubic Kobra 2 Pro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. When I do the review, I'll put the assembly. Hi! After the fact, the setup video will not go into the review. It'll actually be its own video because it took too damn long and I don't want the review to be like 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna put the setup as its own video and then the review will just be a review. Okay, now you can hit the sub button and go away.